Hello, welcome. Now we will show you is our waterproof taxi. Because this is a new model from client, very interesting. In this, we no need to worry about the back weather and outdoor. This is IP68. It's a very useful when you on the outdoor. In working and no need to worry about the heavy raining to broken the walkie-talkie. This is our can change to the same channel. Okay, Roger. You can see. Hello. There are two all of them also the IP waterproof walkie-talkie. You can see there. When they see when this place will be use the not the smooth design because this is to add some holding place to tie text this too. You see? Okay, you can put them down. This also can work at the other. You see? This also can receive the signal. Test. Hello, test, test, test. This is this button. This button. What the function is, but we can